moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga okunza ya diake moyo babo kwenda kwa kumuna vinye yenza lwaloso ikuza ya kwakwe moyo watu wawana vayetokake siaza ya kwaku Unsedibwe moyo ekware wawa wana vambambwa nzile watale dimbu wabebelyo mwana tata kordoni wayiyombelwe wabebele oya wabebele umbanzange moyo ekware iya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware iya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware iya yekore manye umbanzanga
Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama
luyufula tata mbemba
Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina besikinzasa mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya
luyufula tata
Yambulangende Yambulangende mama
luyufula tata
Yambulangende Yambulangende mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakalasi mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakalasi mama
luyufula tata
Yambulangende Yambulangende mama
luyufula tata mbembe
mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya
luyufula tata
Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina besikinzasa mama
luyufula tata
mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya
luyufula tata
Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama
luyufula tata
Yambulangende mama.
Fula tata mbembe.
Yambulangende, yambulangende mama.
Fula tata
Mbemba kitonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala si mama.
Fula tata mbembe.
Yambulangende kitonzi mumenga kena luyu fula tata mbemba mama.
Fula tata mbembe.
Yambulangende, yambulangende mama.
Fula tata mbembe.
Mama.
Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yepiri mo mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange yono kwanda papa ndeke bata chamwene kwe, embane kagero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kunda tele yo imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Yamwene kwe mama, yono kunga bukila chamwene kwe, embane piri mumayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kungwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kungwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de bata imba bange, mame ya yenga kero mayaya.
Mono muntu leke mutandile, Mari tandile.
Bevanda kufongo yaye muno kwani batabinge, muno kwani batabinge.
Ah, de mon amour, maman. Mono muntu leke mutandile,
Bevanda
kufungu ya ye muno kwani batabinge. Muno kwani batabinge. Atata. Angwangas. Muno muntu leke mutandile. Marie tandile. Evanda kufungu ya ye muno kwani batabinge. Muno kwani batabinge.
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés, déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I, let's get together. Lego, kola na tenzela ya mabe, malembe tokukoma, mokili tondi magambo ebele, ya, sala na kimya, eloko nyonso koma kanangonga nango.
Yes, Kembete Tatale.
Kembote Tatampanzu.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Nice to have you back, you know?
Yeah, I was in your area of the world.
Oh, where? It's still... Okay, anyway. Far from your place then?
So what?
Was it far from your home? I mean...
No.
Washington.
Like in your neck of the woods.
Sorry?
I was like specifically in your specific areas. Like
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. But I'm back now.
Okay. Thank you very much. Let me just greet the audience. Okay, this is welcome, Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville. Thank you very much. Don't move. That energy is just for you. So my pointer is not working. Is it? Okay, let me just touch it again. Yes. Okay. I've been, when I'm reading books on Kikongo, I'm doing my homework, I'm always trying to find the common denominator. You know, Osinga is auxiliary, yes?
Yes.
Okay, I found the pattern. I mean, this is because when we say Isinga, first person, Osinga, second and third, Osinga, it is specifically Kikongo spoken, Kikongo of the Grand Man, yes? Spoken in Banza, Congo, yes?
Okay.
So, my duty is to find the common denominator. So, take it easy. See the pattern I, yeah, first person, Usinga, Kasinga, yes? So then we got to understand. Remember this. This is your personal pronoun, yes?
Yep.
Yes. Does it make sense, Tatale?
Yes, no, it does.
Yes. Because when we... Okay, yes. Isinga, Usinga, Kasinga. Yes. Isinga, Kwenda. Okay. And negative...
You have covered this. Haven't you...
No, this one, no.
Oh, this is different.
I've been teaching this to... I mean, the slides, they look similar, but
content is not the same.
Oh, okay.
Because usually we go to for oh. Remember,
Yeah, we did-
second, third
yeah.
person.
Yeah,
From Tata Makondekwa lesson, yeah?
correct.
So Tata Makondekwa is more it's going towards more leaning towards Kisikongo, yes? Kikongo spoken. Although he says Kizomba, but it's more Mbanza Kongo, yes.
Okay.
Meaning that second person you use O, third O, but other variants they keep the standard. See, the standard is
Yeah. Ka.
first pronoun, yes. Ka is your third person.
Yes.
Or if Isinga Kwenda, okay, remember the rule. I'm going to test you. We are live because Isinga Kwenda. I will go, yes, I will go. Yes, Isinga Kwenda. So negative, remember negative, the rule of thumb is KK, yeah? So Isinga Kwenda, so I'm not going. Just remember.
Yeah, it'll be Kisinga Kwendako.
Bravo, yes, Kisinga Kwendako. Here, Kusinga Kwendako. Yes, keep adding. Of course, on Kasinga, you keep Kasinga as long as you add the ko at the end, it means negative because Kasinga is positive and negative, yes?
Yes. Okay.
If I say, he will not go. He will not go, he's not going. Kasinga, no. Kasinga Kwenda, he will go. Yes, Kasinga Kwenda ko, as long as I put ko is negative. Yes,
okay, so you don't have to say Kika Singa Kwendako.
No.
Okay.
The main thing is your K, as long as you have your K, yes? Because K is there, okay, we don't need to say double key, no. Here there's no K, Kisinga, Kusinga, Kasinga Kwenda. Hopefully he will go. That's why we keep saying double negative. As soon as say Kasinga Kwenda ko, we know that it's negative, yes? Yes. And it's hard because Kikongo is tonal language. Because if I say, listen carefully, listen to my tone. Kasinga Kwenda. I mean past, yes? Don't worry. It's hard. See here, this is past perfect, yes? The verb is still the same, yeah? Kwenda. But talking about the past, at least for singular, your personal pronoun singular, past is ya, wa, ka, yes? Are you with me, Totally?
Yeah, so that's okay, so basically like I went.
Yes, in the past, yes, yes. Instead of using this, the standard pronoun is here for the singular, yes? There's no change in plural. I'm reading Gikongo. I, u, ka, tu, lu, ba, be, yes? But here, the plural, you see the same, tu, lu, ba, yes?
Yeah.
But your singular part in the past is not, the standard, is the ya, wa, ka. Ya, ka, la, kuna. I was there, yes? Ya, ka, la, kuna. Okay, Tatala?
Okay.
Yeah, just remember, your standard personal pronoun are here because there's a relation between tense and personal pronoun singular bits, yes? In the past, we're using ya, wa, ka. Am I clear, Tatala?
No, I understand. I have to learn it well, but yeah.
Yeah, remind me, I'm going to send this because this is what I'm teaching to French class, yes. I mean, Francophone class, yes. Yakala. Yakala. Yakwenda. Wakwenda. Kakwenda. Him. Twakwenda. Lwakwenda. Remember, when you say twakwenda, still take it as the two, yes? Yes, the W just from two, yeah? Totally.
Yes.
Twakwenda, lwakwenda.
Twakwenda.
The pattern is them. Tuluba. Twakwenda, lwakwenda, bakwenda. Question, totally. Very hard, yes?
No, it reminds me of something we covered before, but I can't think of it exactly.
From Tata Makonde class, lessons.
I think from one of the charts that you've done in the past, but no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yakwenda, Kisinga. Let me just go back. Okay. This is the perfect, present perfect indicative. Remember the verb kwenda, yes? Yeah. You should pay attention to the tense, yes?
Okay.
Tense. Present perfect tense. We are not using, at least, for singular. I think the pattern is the singular bits is always keep changing. Here, we're not using, on kwenda, we're not using the personal pronoun on singular parts. Yes? Yeah, you okay?
Yeah. So, okay.
Let me just try to clarify.
Okay.
Because ngele, as soon as you say ngele, you mean first person. Yes?
Okay, got it. Okay, all right.
That's why we always remember Kikongo language, all of them, all the verbs, first person is always nasal.
Nasal, yeah.
First person nasal. I mean, when I say first person nasal, I mean, look at the tense, yes? Present perfect indicative, yes? The first person is always nasal. Then you ignore, you're not using your personal pronoun, sorry. Personal pronouns here on your plural side, yes? Ngele, wele, twele, lwele, bele. Ngele, I've gone, yes? Yes? Wele, twele, lwele, bele. Ndidi, to eat, ndidi, have eaten, didi, to didi, ludidi, badidi. Can you try to read this one? Badidi, please.
Badidi.
Well, French, I'm speaking French. Badidi, yes. If you say badidi, you mean you are adamant, yeah? Badidi.
Okay.
Question, Tatana?
No, okay, so is it always so it's badidi? How about ludi? Is it the same thing for tu, lu, and lu? The pronunciation is the same.
Yeah, ludidi, badidi, yes, badidi, tu didi, ludidi, badidi, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. David here. Okay, I need to go back to David.
Kiambote.
Kiambote, Tata David, welcome.
Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote, Alain.
Wow, is it cold, Tata David? It looks like
Yes, Yeah, I'm in Minnesota, and the heat has failed upstairs. So
Oh no.
yeah, so it goes.
Yeah. I'm doing the same thing, because I'm in my office, I'm in my reading room, study room. There's no, I mean, you need save energy, It's, yeah. Let me just go back to, I was trying to show that they should be familiar. We've been using here, remember, auxiliary singer, yes, for the future, yes?
Hmm.
According to Papa Makonde, no, not according to Papa Makonde, but we basically we have been learning all for second and third. Osinga, Tata David, yes.
Hmm.
But this is a specific. I mean, this is specific to. It is a variant for Kikongo spoken in Mbanza, Congo, but we always try to find the common denominator. So you should use. I'm reading Kikongo yeah, you for singer.
Hmm.
Second, ka for third person. Is it okay, Tata David?
Yes, and so we don't use the personal pronoun when we say that, right? Like we don't say, "Oh, I see." Yeah, the e just is used as a prefix on singa.
Yeah.
So singa kwenda. Okay, usinga kwenda.
Isinga I, usinga you,
Mhm.
kasinga him, her, yes. Okay, let me try to test you. Test it. Isinga kwenda. I would go, yes. Isinga kwenda. How would you say negative, yes? Using singa.
Kisinga kwenda ko.
Bravo, yes. You remember your the rule of thumb. KK, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
K, extreme east. Extreme east. Okay, left.
Yeah.
West, left is west, yes. Then your right side, extreme, you go. Kisinga kwenda ko. Here, kusinga kwenda ko, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, here on third singular, K-A, ka, you use for negative and affirmative. Kasinga kwenda, he will go, he's going. Kasinga kwenda ko. Tell the verse.
Yes.
Katusinga kwenda ko. Tata, I remember. Kalusinga kwenda, yeah, plural.
Uh-huh.
Kabasinga kwenda. Okay, let me just remove this. I've been teaching class French speaking class. This is too hard. I don't want to make it hard. Basically our motto is little but mustard, yeah. Life is hard. Don't to make it easy. Okay. Let me just try to share. We go for reading. Any questions on that, Tata Navy? Tata?
No, not for the Isinga, no.
Yeah, just remember Isinga, Usinga, Kasinga, yes?
Mm-hmm.
From now on, we just okay. When we're reading Tata Makonde kwa notes, it doesn't matter. We know what we're talking about. We can stick with yeah. You need to follow the great man. There's no problem. Okay. Well, time is gone. This is the question, lesson 5, section 1. Let me try to find my point. Okay. Nkizolele. Zolevo ya vutuka. Elo, nzolevo wa vutuka. Tata David first line and Tata in second line. Please, Tata David.
Okay. Nkizolele. Zolele vo yabutuka.
Thank you.
Elo. Nzolelevo wavutuka.
Tutonde. Thank you, Tata. Nkizole. Remember key? Key. Yeah, what? Yeah, Kizole. Nzolelevo yavutuka. To return, yes. Elo. Nzolelevo yavutuka. Tutonde. Tata, the first line, please.
Nkizolele. Zolelevo yakosoka.
Elo. Nzolele vo wakosoka.
Yeah, tutonde. Kizole. Nzolelevo yakosoka. Elo. Nzolelevo yakosoka.
So my accent should have been on the last syllable. Wakosoka.
Sorry, Tata David.
My accent should have been on the last syllable then. Wakosoka.
Ah, you mean accent? Okay. Hello, Nzolelevo yakosoka. Yes, yakosoka. Okay. I'm just trying to find. I want to test you. Okay. Tata Allen. Him. Just want to test you because we have been learning about the personal pronouns. Yes, Tata Allen. So you got your pattern. First singular, at least E, U, K, then Tulu by the plural, no change. What does she want? That Kikongo, you just need to add something here.
Ki uzolele.
Yeah, good. But you saying this
Oh
is
no
second.
no. Ki kazole.
Kazolele.
Bravo. Kikazolele, yes. Yeah. Tutondele. Then plural would be easy. Tata David over to you.
So we would say Nki tuzolele.
Bravo. Yeah, you're speaking Congo. See? Kituzele. Tata, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, tutondele. Tata, the first line, please.
Nkizolele. Zolelevo yavingila.
Deliver a long vowel, yes? Tata David.
Elo. Zolele vo wavingila.
Tutondele. Zelevo avingila, yes. Tata David, first line, please.
Nki zolele. Zolele vo yasala.
Well done.
Elo. Zolelevo wasala.
Tata David, question. You many. What do you want, people?
Okay. Nki luzolele.
Bravo, yeah. Kilizole, yeah. Depend on your tone. It may be rude, yeah. Depend. Kilizole. What do you want, people?
Luzolele. Yeah.
Yeah. Tutondele. Tata, the first line, please.
Nki zolele. Zolele vo yabova.
Tutondele.
Elo. Zolelevo wavova.
Tutondele. Tata. What do they want? Tata, please.
Nki bazolele.
Bravo, yeah. It's coming clear now. Well done. Keep Azule. Yes. First line, Tata.
Nki zolele. Zolele vo yatala. Yatala.
Tutondele.
Elo. Nzolelevo watala.
Yes. Tala can be look, watch, depends, yeah. Tutondele. Tata David, first line, please.
Okay. Nki zolele. Zolele vo yaja.
Thank you.
Elo nzolelevo wadia.
Yes, elo nzolovo wadia.
Should
Dia
that
is your
be
verb, yes.
should that be yadya or yadja?
I understand your concern, Tata David.
Mhm.
Okay, very hard because variants, the Congo language. Okay, let's just stick with basically. Let me just to make it easy. Kizolele zolevo wadia. Yes.
Mhm.
Hello zolevo wadia. Yes, this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the correct sound.
Okay,
Yeah. Zolevo wadia.
okay.
Yes. Kediambuko. Tell first line, please.
Nkizolele. Zolelevo Yalanda.
Tandine.
Elo mzolelevo walanda.
Yeah, Kizolele zolevo wailanda. Tell Ellen. Okay. You singular. What do you want?
Nki uzolele.
Yes. Okay, let me just try to test you a bit. Let me see. We're going to change something here. We're going to drop this one. You're going to say, what do you want? Do you want you want me to follow you? Tata David, Tata, I can try. It's hard, but you're just going to change this, drop this ya, then something very, very common we're using when you're talking about destination. Yes. Can
Destination.
you try? You remember the preposition we use, the destination here? KU, yes.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, yeah, cool now. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, in this case, is exactly KU. In this case,
KU,
KU,
okay.
yes.
Cool. Okay. So, what is the question?
Yeah, you start from here, please. Sorry. Kiuzole, yes.
Yeah, Kizolele.
Kiuzole, talking to someone straight.
Oh,
Kiuzole, you.
Yeah, okay, you. Kizolele. Uzolele vo. What? Kulanda?
I'm going. Sorry. My mistake. Let me get correct. No. You still keep your yeah, but you add in between. You add your here. In between, yeah, you add your between ya and landa. You add your ku. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Your ku, yeah. Can you try to? Yes.
Yeah. Nki uzolele. Uzolele vo yakulanda.
No, you don't worry about u here. You don't keep u here.
Okay. Nki uzolele.
Just use your
Zolele vo yakulanda.
Well done, yeah. You want me to follow you? Yes. Hello, Nzelevo.
So,
okay.
so on that first line, because so if I use uzolele the first time, it implies when I'm saying zolele that it's assumed already, right? The second time, I don't have to use it.
No, you don't. We know what you mean. Yes, you don't use it. Even here, he's not using. See, in English, he's using do you again, but here, yes, omission. Yeah, totally.
Okay.
You drop you here. Ki uzole, yeah. Don't worry about u here. Zolevo yakulanda. Hello, Zolevo. I'm not trying to test that. Okay, you are going to answer that Alan saying ki uzolele Zolevo yakulanda.
So
Your answer, Tata David.
yeah, I would say elo.
Zolevo, keep going. Zolevo, one land.
Walanda.
Okay,
That,
you could say, yeah, it's correct. Walanda mean just impersonal, no? Just one land.
right, just to follow, but to follow me.
Wandanda, yes, Ndanda. This is hard. Don't go to Ndanda. Yes, Ndanda. Remember the first. You can go first. Always nasal, yeah. Wandanda. Following me, yes. Even here, let me just try to explain something. Here, totally. Ki uzolele. We just use u because we just want to do. I just want to make sure you get used to use your personal pronoun, but otherwise you just drop it. It's not indispensable to use you here. Yes? Can you see the translation? Ki uzolele, just there's no you here. Uzolele, totally. Yeah, this is for the native, but we are learners. We need to buy the books. Totally. Keys. Go ahead, question.
Okay, so you don't really need the personal prefix. It will still mean Nkizolele still means what do you want, even if we don't say Nki uzolele.
Yes, but for the native, that's okay. But I would say because we learn, it's better to use Nki uzolo. Yes, we mean it. Yes.
Okay.
Even the native, they would say Ki uzolo when they mean it. Yes, talking to you. I mean it. Yeah. Yeah, question, Tatani?
No question.
Very focused, taking notes. That's good. Okay, first line, Tata Allen, please. Ki uzolo. Let's stick with Ki uzolo. Yes, Ki uzolo.
Okay. Ki uzolele. Zolelevo yakota.
Thank you.
Then the second line would remain the same. Elo nzolelevo wakota.
Yes, because remember here second singular you can drop the u, but when it comes to third, there's no choice. Tata David, yes. Kikazolele, because because when you're talking to someone face to face, kizolele, we know what you mean. You, I'm talking to you, kizolele. But when you refer to someone third persons, is not around him, her, make sure you put kikazolele. Yes? Yeah, let us move. David, first line, please.
Nkizolele. Zolelevo ngiza.
Well done.
Hello. Zolelevo wiza.
Yeah, let me just try to
I have a question.
Here. Go ahead.
So, Giza and Weezer. I know we've always said we've been using Weezer.
Yeah, this is exactly what I want to explain to you. That yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Giza is the first of quiza. Quiza the infinitive, yeah, quiza the verb. Remember, kwenda to go, quiza to come.
Yep.
So your first singular, because in Kikongo somehow you have to find the nasal, yeah. Giza, Giza, yes. You want me to count? Wiza. Yes. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Question to you, Tatane. Let me just put it in English. What do you want? Do you want us to come? Do you want us to come?
You want me to respond? Answer that? Like,
you translate. You drop. You talking to you many. Yeah. You change. You drop. You.
Okay. Nkilu Zolele.
Nkilu Zolele. Yes. Yes. Then here, third person, singular. No.
Okay. Zolelevo.
Plural first. Plural first. Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh. What is that?
Yeah, you're on the track.
Was that
Nkilu Zolele. Sorry.
No, I was gonna say, would that be? Instead of Ngiza, it would be what? Twiza?
Well done. Yeah, Twiza. Yeah. Just remember, first plural is plural is easy. Two luba. Remember the formula, yeah? Tell David. Two as lu you many ba be them. So kiluzolele you many. What do you want? Luzolevo. In this case, you keep the lu, yeah? Kiluzollevo, Twiza, yes? Twiza, Elo. Zollevo, one person, or you could say Elo to Zollevo, Luisa. Am I clear?
How would you say they then? Would it be Beza or Biza?
Beza, yes. Beza. Beza. Yeah, that's how we keep saying Babe. Either Be. Okay, Tata, we can try to. Here we have Kiluzolele, you many. Kiluzolele, Luzolevo, Twiza. Do you want us to come? Yes. Hello, yes, we want you to come. Tata, we can try to convert into
okay.
To plural.
Elo, let's see. Elo, tu zolelevo wiza.
Yes, good. Zolelevo wiza. Yes, we want you to come. Or you could say, hello. Tata, can you try? Hello, yes, we want you many to come. Yes, Tata. Thank you, David. Tata. Hello, we want. Yes, we want you many to come.
Hello, Luizolelevo.
We want you. We want we.
Oh, tu zolele.
Yes. Hello. Yes.
Tu zolelevo.
You many to come. Yeah. You many.
Luisa.
Bravo. Yes. Just remember TL. Yes. Luisa. Questions. Yes. It's becoming clear now. Kikong. We do something. Yeah. We're moving. Yeah. So slowly but surely.
Malembe.
Inget. Yes. Any questions?
I have no questions.
Okay, good. Yeah, at least we know person pronoun. Yes. Plural, many plural. Tu luba. Yes. Tu tondele. First, Tata David, please. First line.
Okay. Ki zolele. Zolelevo yenda.
Yes. Ngenda. What's the infinitive, Tata? Which verb is this in Kikongo?
Which verb?
Yeah, Ngenda.
Kwenda.
Yes, see, yeah. Big change, see? Ngenda, Kwenda. Yes. Okay, yeah. Single line, please.
Elo, Nzolelevo, Wenda.
Yes. Kizele, Zolevo, Ngenda. Yes. Elo, Nzolevo, Wenda. Tata, the first line, please.
Ki zolele. Zolelevo yafinama.
Well done, thank you.
Elo Zolelevo Wafinama.
Okay, tatale. Third person, please.
Nki Kazolele.
Yes.
Zolelevo. Is that supposed to be
him? We're talking about someone. What does she? What does she want? Does she want me to you to what? Just let's use the third here as well. Third, yeah.
That would be Ka, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. It'd be Kafinama.
Kafinama. Yes. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Kika Zolele. Zolelevo Kafinama. Yes. Can you try to tell me, please?
Yeah. Kika Zolele. Zolelevo Kafinama.
Kafinama. Yes. That's the. Try to use the second third person, please.
Okay. So
you just use third person here.
Oh, okay. Elo Zolelevo Kafinama.
Yes, I want her to come get closer. You have to get me.
Him or her
yes.
to come closer.
Yeah, to Tondele. We're done for today. Questions? Tell David, no question.
No, this was good.
Yes.
Good. It's coming clear.
Yes. Sorry?
Yeah, it's coming clearer.
Yes. Malembe. We're getting there. We are learning, you know? Yeah, make no mistake, we are learning. I mean, you understand this is virtual school, but we are learning, we're getting there. Kewaukwe, tatale kewaukwe. Iwao.
Iwao, yeah.
Iwao. Tatale David, remember. Kewaukwe.
Wow.
Isn't it? Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Iwao. Tondele. Okay, Luenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Yes.
I have a question that I need to ask you offline.
No problem. Call me.
Okay. Yeah.
Call me. We're just going to end this. Tondele Luenda Kiambote.
Okay. Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Yeah.
Timba. Kaimbe Shetemba. Ira. Papi Salomou, William Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Karaba. Charlie Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Koko. Philippe Kamango. Memba Basagila. Zotoru Kanu. Kutukuina yaya.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Dodo na San Diego.
Epa kundundu, pele kete pakundundu.
Quiere música Congo.